back on. It's super hard to eat while I'm wearing it. It's super hard to eat when you're not. Shake on it. Yeah, you nicked it. Just got the tip with your little steak knife. Wait. Time! You look ridiculous. And you ground and pound till he makes no sound because he's dead. Shut the fuck up. Oh my God. Get the fuck off of me. Shh. Almost done. Almost done what?
Getting my knife out of your buttocks.
Get your mind out of my pants.